Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at a USB Type-C hub from Ugreen. Laptops these days seem to be coming with an ever decreasing number of ports, so a hub of some description is fast becoming an essential purchase. This one is the Ugreen USB-C 6-in-1 multifunction adapter. It connects to a USB Type-C port and provides 3 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, an HDMI output, as well as SD card and micro SD card reader. Inside the box we find a small user manual and the adapter itself. Build quality is excellent for a hub of this price, being finished in anodized aluminium with just a small Ugreen logo on the top. The USB Type-C cable is also very good quality with a metal connector, although it's integrated so it can't be removed. It's also quite short at around 6 inches long. On the side we find the 3 USB 3.0 ports and a single HDMI port. And here on the end are the 2 slots for the card reader. The hub works out of the box with both Windows PCs or Macs, but given the space grey aluminium finish, it's obviously targeted more towards Mac users. Aesthetically, it's an almost perfect match for the space grey MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. To test the adapter I used the late 2020 M1 MacBook Air. Testing the card reader first with a Toshiba Xperia Pro micro USB UHS 1 card, I was able to get read and write speeds of about 70 and 87 megabytes per second respectively, which is very close to the maximum rated speed of the card. With a Western Digital external hard drive connected to one of the USB 3 ports, the read and write speed was only about 5% slower than the drive connected directly to the laptop. Using an NVMe drive in an external enclosure, the write speed peaked at around 340 megabytes per second and the read speed at just over 300. That's a couple of hundred megabytes less than you'd expect from an SSD connected directly by USB 3. So if you're using high bandwidth devices like SSDs, you can expect a fairly significant performance hit. For low bandwidth devices like mice, keyboards or rotational drives though, you should be fine. The HDMI port on the adapter worked well with an LG ultra-wide 2560 by 1080 display at the monitor's maximum 75Hz refresh rate. However, if you're using a 4K monitor, you're only going to be getting a maximum refresh rate of 30Hz due to the bandwidth limitations of HDMI 1.4. Overall, this adapter offers very good value for money. The build quality is excellent and I haven't experienced any connection issues. At the time of making this video, the price was under $25, which is excellent. As well as laptops, this adapter also works with the iPad Pro and with smartphones including the Huawei P30 and P40 and the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S20 series. If you want the ability to charge your laptop through the hub as well, Ugreen also offers a version of this adapter which sacrifices one of the USB-A ports for a USB-C port with power delivery. I'll put links to both versions down in the video description. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.